What up? We're gonna fire it up, do a little review on the actual camping utensils I've been using. As you can see in the, oh shit. This is what we'll be using. We'll be talking about the fire and use with this to cook the food in the middle. This was here the whole time. So these are the camping utensils I use. I'm doing it this way because I want to show you guys that this is actual, let me pan this around. See, actual fire, oops, actual tent. Sorry, the view screen's messing me up. Okay, I gotta put this back. Good thing I taped all this cool shit here. I was gonna move. There we go. So anyways, wanted to show, review of it. I think I'll move this out of my way for now. I see a lot of people do reviews, but they're like at home or, you know, perfect conditions. So this is what I bought. I've used it a couple times. Really nice. Came with that. Sorry, I got like bugs on me. Same really camping, got real bugs on me too. So I thought this was kind of cute because they really care. That's who they are. I get nothing for doing it, but I feel like doing it. Nice little rag I can use to clean. Haven't used it yet because I want to use it as I go. I don't want to make a big old mess. I have a bunch of shit to clean. But I'm a happy camper. I will get back to this. I'm going to show you the ones I use. So, comes with bottle opener, wine bottler or champagne bottle opener, like a little thing for a cork. Let me pull that out. As you can see, these are still wrapped. Haven't used it, but you know, got a little knife on it. Simple. I'm sure you guys know about this stuff, so I'm not gonna go super in detail because I got a thing for knives. But I like this because not only this is a good knife, see, same brand. There we go. But it has a nice little sleeve to it, which is great for camping because, you know, it's not always going to be in here. Nice little Velcro to hold it back in place. Go through all these items real quick. This is my peeler. It's a little knife, paring knife, same thing, little sheath. They're supposed to check it like that by going like that to see how sharp it is. It's decently for veggies or whatever. I'll probably sharpen the shit out of it when I really go to use it, but this is only a little camping trip. Scissors, really good for opening packages and fish. Another can opener type deal, a little bit of a saw for that tough. Ooh, that's pretty sharp. Then you got these over here. Forget what these are for. You can use it as a bottle opener. It's kind of cool. Again, nice little sheath. I think that's really cool, so I went with this one. Put that back in there. I have a cutting board similar to this. Mine's a little smaller. This one's bigger, but fits in there, compact. That works. That's going to meet my needs. And that's what I got it for. I got it for my needs. So, really happy with that. But of course you got your spoon. Haven't used it yet. So I need to get a pot. Pot that I keep forgetting to get one. More bugs. But the pot that I use is really small. Which way? That's good for grilling. That's gonna work. Seems like it's thin, but it's actually pretty durable, and doesn't really seem to catch on fire or turn black or any of that. How the hell do they do that? Trying to get this back in there. I might not be able to. Alright, screw it. There, it's been camping, it's been used. Oh shit. There it is. Ha! Got these little condoms for the top. I will try to keep that as possible. But this is what I've been using for everything. Bacon, steaks. I'm filming of this. I'm in cow country, so I know some of the heifers are upset because I ate their cousin, but yummy. What I liked about these is I got this little circle thing at the bottom. Push it in, opens that up, go like that, and then I can close it. Stays like that. So these are really cool. What am I cooking tonight? And I think they went in here. I don't know. I don't remember. It was early. No. Is that all the same sizes? Super tight fit. I think I have it upside down. That's better. Yeah, there. I use this for everything else, even with the bacon and the meat and the eggs and the potatoes. This is where I got my information that it didn't turn black, it didn't catch on fire. A lot of the stuff that I do cook, I do get a little close, and it tends to get some wear and tear. Let me show you what I mean. As you can tell, this has seen fire. Lots of it. I mean, I just put it in there and it can just take it. Doesn't look that appealing, but man, these suckers are durable. This is my coffee. See, this is what I meant. If you guys caught the video about this, the metal strainer that I use. Still have coffee in it. So as I said, things get black, they get used. As you can tell, this is still looks brand new. And I've used it for 3 days, 2, 4, 6 meals. I mean, I even like cinch my arms sometimes. So yeah, really happy with this. This works really, really well. Oh, it's got a nice little strap. You can hang it. As you can see, I do hang stuff on trees. This hook was already here. I'm like, well, I'm going to take advantage of that. Now that we talked about this, I can put this back in here. Got little pockets. Got little condiments for pepper, salt, seasoned salt, garlic, whatever your preference is. I bought the travel stuff, so I don't have use for that quite yet, but I do like it and I do want it. I am going to put this here. Sorry about the wind. Like I said, we'll review. Let's do it this way. So now comes the fun part. Haven't used this. Haven't even... Holy shit, this is sealed. This isn't even open. See, this is plastic. It's supposed to be a heat guard. I don't know if I could use this at home. I'm a little scared because this is a cloth glove and cloth with real fire, real cast iron skillet. This will catch on fire fast, and this plastic will melt so fast. So I wouldn't recommend using you know, cast iron or the stuff that I use. If you have like a Coleman propane grill or pocket rocket, well, even the pocket rocket, you don't need a glove, but you know, something like that, or the grill, okay, where the handle doesn't get any kind of heat, this will be fine. But if you got real fire going, nuh-uh. Because see if you can barely see, this is all nice and smooth. That's from this. That's from this handle right here. As you can tell, I do use this shit. See, the handle on that one melted. There's a little bit of a video on that on YouTube. My video. That's that's what I mean by like real fires. Anything plastic, rubber, anything not metal will just catch on fire. That's why I don't recommend the glove for catching that, because see, this caught it. And when I use this, I usually take a wet rag, wet it really good, and then I'll put the glove on, and then I'll grab the pan, and I only take it from the fire to the ground. I don't necessarily take it to the table or to the food. I put it on the ground first, give it like a couple minutes to cool off. If it's a certain food, like I'll use the tongs, get them out real quick, or a spatula, or scoop it out, depending on what it is. But like I said, real review. I liked it. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. If you want more reviews, you know, subscribe to my channel. Alright. Well, you guys have a great one, and I will see you on the next one. Really good product.